Want to know the secret to weight loss, detox, and youthful skin? Welcome to the world of Detox Smoothies, a delicious and healthful way to kickstart your wellness journey. These nutrient-packed beverages can aid in weight loss, support your liver in its detoxification efforts, and even promote a youthful, wrinkle-free complexion. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 delightful smoothie recipes, each tailored to deliver these benefits and more. Stay tuned if you're ready to take your wellness journey to the next level with these delicious smoothie recipes. Scene script. First up, we have the Green Detox Smoothie. This vibrant concoction is a fantastic blend of the nutritious spinach, the tropical delight pineapple, the ever-so-creamy banana, and the subtly sweet almond milk. But this isn't just any ordinary smoothie. It's a detox powerhouse. Let's delve into the ingredients, shall we? Spinach, the leafy green hero of our smoothie, is loaded with potent antioxidants that aid in detoxification. It's also high in fiber, which helps to cleanse the digestive system. Moreover, it's a rich source of vitamins A, C, and K, which are essential for maintaining good health and glowing skin. Next up is pineapple. Pineapple isn't just about adding a tropical twist to our smoothie. This juicy fruit is filled with bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and fights inflammation. It also carries a hefty dose of vitamin C, which boosts immunity and promotes youthful, wrinkle-free skin. Then we have the banana, a powerhouse of potassium and vitamin B6. Bananas not only lend a creamy texture to our smoothie, but also help in flushing out toxins from the body. Plus, they are great for cardiovascular health and maintaining blood pressure levels. Last but not least, almond milk. This plant-based milk is low in calories yet high in nutrients. It's an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that fights off damaging free radicals in the body. It also gives our smoothie a slightly nutty flavor and a silky smooth texture. Preparing this green detox smoothie is a breeze. Simply pop all these ingredients into your blender, whiz until smooth, and voila! Your detox smoothie is ready to be savored. You can enjoy this refreshing drink as a breakfast staple or a post-workout refresher. So let's raise a glass to good health and radiant skin. Remember, the key to detoxification lies not just in what you remove, but also in what you replenish your body with. Enjoy this refreshing and nutrient-packed green detox smoothie. Next we have the Berry Bliss smoothie. A symphony of bursting flavors and vibrant colors, this smoothie is not just a treat for the taste buds, but also a powerhouse of wellness. Let's dive into the ingredients. We'll start with a generous handful of mixed berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. A colorful melange that's not just visually appealing, but also nutritionally rich. These berries are packed with antioxidants, known for fighting harmful free radicals in our bodies. They're also high in fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied, while also aiding in digestion. Next, we add in Greek yogurt. Creamy, tangy, and incredibly nourishing. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein. It's also rich in probiotics, essential for maintaining a healthy gut. And let's not forget the calcium and vitamin B12, both crucial for overall health. As for our sweetener, we're using honey. Not just any honey, but raw, unprocessed honey. This natural sweetener is a treasure trove of antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. It not only adds a touch of sweetness, but also enhances the health quotient of our smoothie. Now let's put it all together. Blend the mixed berries, Greek yogurt and honey until smooth and creamy. The end result is a delightful blend of sweet and tangy flavors, with a velvety texture that's absolutely irresistible. But this Berry Bliss smoothie is more than just a delicious beverage. The antioxidants in the berries and honey work synergistically to combat aging, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. The high protein content in Greek yogurt aids in muscle repair and growth, making this smoothie a perfect post-workout snack. And the fiber from the berries helps in weight loss by keeping you satiated for longer. So there you have it. A smoothie that's not just delicious, but also packed with health benefits. It's a small step towards a healthier lifestyle, a step that's as easy as blending a few ingredients together. So go ahead, give this Berry Bliss smoothie a try. You'll be sipping on a glass of health, vitality, and deliciousness. Relish the vibrant and health-boosting Berry Bliss smoothie. Our third recipe is the tropical turmeric smoothie. Now let's venture into a tropical paradise with our next smoothie recipe. Picture the warm sun, the soft sand, and the swaying palm trees as we prepare our tropical turmeric smoothie. This smoothie is a fusion of flavors that will transport you to a tropical island, and best of all, it's packed with ingredients known for their health benefits. Our key players for this smoothie are turmeric, mango, banana, and coconut milk. Each of these ingredients not only contributes to the exotic flavor of this smoothie, but also brings a host of health benefits. Let's start with turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice is more than just a kitchen staple. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is known to fight inflammation at the molecular level, aiding in weight loss and promoting overall health. Next, we have mango and banana. Bursting with vitamins and minerals, these fruits are nature's candy, adding a sweet tropical twist to our smoothie. Mango is rich in vitamin C, promoting healthy immune function and radiant skin. Bananas, on the other hand, are a great source of potassium and vitamin B6, contributing to heart health and improved mood. Finally, we have coconut milk. This creamy, delicious liquid is packed with medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are fats your body can use immediately for energy. It also adds a creamy texture, making our smoothie taste like a tropical dessert. The preparation process for this smoothie is as easy as it gets. Combine all these ingredients in a blender, blend until smooth, and voila! Your tropical turmeric smoothie is ready to serve. It's a refreshing, healthy treat that's perfect for any time of the day. So go ahead, indulge in this tropical delight. Not only will it satisfy your taste buds, but it will also nourish your body with essential nutrients, leaving you feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to face the day. Savor the exotic and healing tropical turmeric smoothie. Scene script. Fourth on our list is the delectable chocolate avocado smoothie. This smoothie is a rich, creamy blend of ripe avocado, cocoa powder, banana, and almond milk. Each ingredient has been carefully selected to offer you a delicious way to enjoy your path to wellness. Let's start with avocado. This creamy fruit is a powerhouse of nutrition. It's packed with healthy fats that help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. These healthy fats also play a crucial role in nourishing your skin from the inside out, promoting a youthful, wrinkle-free glow. Plus, avocados are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and contributes to weight management. Next, we have cocoa powder. Cocoa is not just for making your smoothie taste like a decadent dessert. It's also rich in flavonoids, antioxidants that fight off free radicals, protect your skin from damage, and help to slow down the aging process. Plus, cocoa can help curb your appetite, making it a great addition to any weight loss plan. The sweetness in our smoothie comes from bananas. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, an essential mineral that helps in maintaining heart and bone health. They also provide a natural sweetness, eliminating the need for added sugars. The fiber in bananas aids digestion and helps to control hunger, supporting your weight loss goals. Finally, we blend everything with almond milk. Almond milk is a low-calorie, dairy-free alternative that adds a creamy texture to our smoothie. It's also high in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that contributes to skin health. To make this smoothie, simply combine all these ingredients in a blender and process until smooth. Enjoy it as a nutritious breakfast or a satisfying snack. It's a treat you can indulge in without guilt, knowing that every sip is contributing to your health and wellness. And there you have it. A smoothie that tastes like dessert but serves up serious health benefits. It's more than just a tasty treat. It's a step towards a healthier, more radiant you. Indulge in the creamy and healthy chocolate avocado smoothie. Lastly, we have the invigorating spicy ginger smoothie. This zesty delight is a concoction of some of the most potent detoxifying ingredients. Our star ingredient, ginger, is a known digestive aid, helping to kickstart metabolism and aid in weight loss. Next, we have the humble apple, a powerhouse of antioxidants and dietary fiber, which can keep you feeling full for longer. The carrot, with its high vitamin A content, is not just good for your eyes but also for your skin, lending it a youthful glow. But what's a spicy ginger smoothie without a dash of lemon juice? The vitamin C in lemons not only boosts your immunity, but also aids in digestion and detoxification. Whip up this smoothie by blending these ingredients together until smooth. The result? A smoothie that's as refreshing as it is beneficial. Energize your day with the spicy ginger smoothie. So there you have it. 5 detox smoothies that help in weight loss and give you a youthful skin. From the nutrient-packed green detox smoothie to the antioxidant-rich berry Bliss, the anti-inflammatory tropical turmeric, the heart-healthy chocolate avocado, and the digestive-boosting spicy ginger. Each of these smoothies plays a unique role in your wellness journey. They're not just delicious, they're your allies in achieving a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, the secret to a healthier you is just a smoothie away. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.